Hey guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are doing great. My name is Guinea One, that's your one and only Wonder Woman. Come on, yes guys. Okay, today we are going to unbox hyaluronic acid. The last time I spoke about hyaluronic acid, the one I used, I got it from Nigeria, obviously, because I don't know what it does to my face. Let's go. Gang, and I showed you guys this. I don't know how it looks like, but the previous one I used was a mask. I'm going to be unboxing this right now, like right now. Just one video, no editing. Like right now. The blade is here. This blade cost me havoc last time. So we are going to be unboxing, but permit me to read something, guys. Okay, this hyaluronic acid facial serum has vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid. So some of you know the uses, what vitamin C does to the skin, retinol and hyaluronic acid. Okay, in vitamin C, it's good for anti-inflammatory, skin brightening, and sun protection. It protects our skin, our face from the sun. So, in what retinol does, anti-aging, for anti-aging. If you don't get old, it will help, reduce that, make you look under 13 like me. Under 16. Okay, dark spots, it fades away dark spots and blemishes, and keep your skin moisturized all the time. And hyaluronic acid, long-lasting moisturization. Okay, I think that is only what the other one had, because it's good for dry skin. I have a very my skin is not dry at all, so it's good for people that has dry skin. Long-lasting moisturization, it maintains the barrier, they repair the skin barrier and hydrates. Okay, a lot. 100% natural, non-GMO, no toxic chemicals, paraben free, cruelty free, blah 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 blah. A lot. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let us unbox this. Let's see what is inside. Let us see. Never. Why am I finding it difficult? Should be unboxing anyhow now. Okay, this is my face. That pimples doesn't like. That pimples like. Oh wow. Oh guys, see packaging now. See packaging. 3 in 1, 3 products in 1. Okay, this one here is written vitamin C serum. This one here is retinol serum, and this one here is hyaluronic acid. This is liquid in nature. The other one was a mask, packaged in Chinese style, because I was seeing Chinese handwriting on the body of that one. So this is how this looks. Drop it. Anyway, that one I have to read on my own to know what's next to do. Okay, I love Glow season. It's time for us to glow, 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 glow. This is retinol serum. Beke bo yibo. For those people that want to look under 16, 13, 14, 15, 18, 20, like me, this will do magic. Okay, here we go. Here I have hyaluronic acid. The main cocoa, hyaluronic acid, that will keep my skin moisturized 24 hours. For those people that want to glow like small little baby, listen, after taking your bath, you do this. See me smiling like a cocoa. Baby girl, 3 in 1, all set. Guys, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Start sharing this video already now. This is hyaluronic acid, 3 in 1. The previous, the previous one is not here, so I don't know how do I get it. Can you permit me to just make a little movement, okay? Make I keep them here so that I'm not gonna see them. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hi. Okay. See this one, hyaluronic acid. This one is, you can see this Chinese writing on it. Yes, packed for we Nigerians to use. I am not criticizing any product, but this is how the one I used looks like. I never have a dry skin, so this keep my skin glowing like, and cost me lots of acne, lots of breakouts, pimples, more. So this is how this looks. If you tear it off, it will look like a sheet, a white sheet, then you place it on your face. Yes, guys. Okay, back to the business. This one is the Ogbonga Master, the new one in town. Don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up for me. I love you guys. Yes, I'll be unboxing more of what I got. I love you. See you again. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. 2022 is our year of success in Jesus' name.